everybody? Thanks for joining me on these analysis. Today we're going to be looking at Tesla. Things are looking good right here. Looks amazing. So we have this horizontal level of support and resistance. We've been respecting it tremendously. It's shown to be a strong level. So price is trying to get back up to that level. Currently, we do have this upward sloping trend line at the same time as this downward sloping trend line. We did break out aggressively. Looks like we came to retest this trend line here. We got a sharp move off. I mean, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Last video, we did say that we were at a crossroads and Tesla needed to make a decision whether it wanted to do something how it just did, where it got a retest and a shoot back up, which is very nice. I love to see that. The other option was for price to kind of chop a little, fall underneath this trend line that has been respecting, retest, and continue on down. Glad that that's not the scenario that played out. Got the bullish scenario. Now, on Friday with the core PCE coming out, it could absolutely push this thing to higher levels if it comes out well. If not, then this thing could turn into a wick and continue to that second scenario that we talked about. So we'd be losing this trend line and we'd be falling back underneath this trend line here. Overall though, this looks amazing. This is exactly what you want to see. Very bullish setup. We do have this trend line that we're pushing downward on, and it looks like we're running up to it. So we need to break this horizontal level of support and resistance, and then this trend line right here. After we can break this, eventually break this level, hold, retest, and start making our way up to higher levels. Overall, looks amazing. You got a green hammer. Last day, super bullish. 2 engulfing candles with the green hammer. I mean, that's ultimate bullish setup on candlesticks. Volume's kicking up, looking very good. You can see that uptrend that we have here in the volume. It's exactly what you want to see. See that trend upward, looks nice. Could have just been a nice buying opportunity. I think Tesla's always a buy at every single price. Not financial advice, of course, but even when they're overbought, oversold, neutral, I think with what that company is doing, it's always a buy. Future looks bright for that company. They're going to be one of the most powerful companies in the world with time, and you have one of the smartest guys in the world running that company. I know it's very controversial with what he's doing and stuff, but the company is still amazing. We can't deny that. So we do have a close above the 200-day, which is perfect. We just reclaimed that. I was saying that in the last video, we need to take over the 200-day. We reclaimed the 20-day, reclaimed the 200-day, and now we're heading up to this level and this next moving average, which is the 50. That's our next level that we have to break, along with this 20-week. But we also did get a close on the 50-week. Oh, I'm sorry, not a close, but we pushed above the 50-week. This is very bullish. On the Bollinger Bands, we got a perfect play off the weekly, double wick. We don't spend much time outside of it, and we shot back up. And right now we have a nice engulfing candle. If it continues, could always turn around. Nothing's ever guaranteed. On the daily, we look good. We got the push above the blue line, close. We didn't even get a retest, and this thing's starting to push up, and we got that green hammer pushing up to the red side. Let's see if we can hug the red trend line. I'm sorry, not the red trend line, the red Bollinger Band as we continue up, and our pullbacks are only to the blue and continue that trend upward. So on the Fibonacci retracement, we're looking perfect, absolutely perfect. So when we take it from this leg to this high, zoom in so we get a better view. We're getting a bounce off the golden zone. It's been respecting it, kind of just playing around the 236 to the golden zone nonstop. We fell underneath it. It looks like we pushed up, came back down, got a double retest, and now we're pushing back up, and we got a solid move off of this golden zone. Let's see if this is sustainable. When you look to the left, there's not much traffic, so Tesla can easily shoot back to 350 in the snap of a finger. Doesn't mean it's going to happen, but it could. And if you've been around Tesla long enough, you know that it's volatile enough to do something like that easily. So this is looking very bullish. The setup is amazing. I think it's a great company long term. Something to always have in your portfolio and dollar cost average into. Not financial advice, of course. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy content like this. I'll see you in the next one.